Moving on to be HNT, which is Helium against BTC. So for Helium against BTC, Helium is one of those rare coins that is still bullish, right? We're still above the skinny pink line against BTC, so which means that Helium is actually still in a bullish trend. It feels to me like we could be completing, it looks like a head and shoulders of sorts, but this is a bullish kind of a head and shoulders. So this is a more likely than not a head and shoulders failure kind of a chart pattern. In my opinion, I feel like Helium is forming that, so potentially there could be more downside to come for Helium against BTC. But yeah, I can't say exactly when that downside is gonna come. We could just as well continue higher for Helium. I just don't think Helium is done yet. I feel that we could consolidate here and hit a little bit higher, right? Like over here, right? We consolidated for a symmetrical, and we headed higher, right? This could be a head and shoulders failure. Head and shoulders failure. There's a way to trade head and shoulders failure as well, and this could hit higher as well. So in my opinion, I feel like Helium still has more upside. We're watching things very closely, but yeah, again, I think there's still more upside. We'll probably, return back under the skinny pink line one fine day, but today is not the day. HNT against USDT, where we? Yeah, but we've touched the skinny pink line on the USDT pair, so I feel like we could be heading lower against USD, but against BTC we could be rising. So this means that Helium is holding its value well against BTC. Other altcoins are not doing well, but for Helium it's doing very well against BTC, to be honest. So I just feel like there will be a rally coming on for Helium, a strong rally potentially, but I just don't see the chart pattern yet for Helium. If we were to drop for Helium, how far could we drop? Yeah, we could drop all the way to about $12, and then the skinny pink line will start curving back down. We'll probably head towards the skinny pink line and complete a right shoulder. This whole thing could be a head and shoulders. And we could head to sub $10, to single digit Helium. So that is why it's very important to secure your profit as you go along, right? As things go into overbought territory, you have to secure your profit. Overbought, yes, secure your profit, right? Do you see it? Do you see it on the RSI? Right, we went into overbought territory over here, which is here, which is close to the high, right? Overbought territory over here, which is close to the high, right? Overbought, sell a bit. Overbought, sell a bit, right? So this would be the wise thing to do when things are turning bullish. I mean, when things are bullish, because you just never know when things might just start reversing back down, right? You could have sold things at the height at around $58. Right now, we have already touched the skinny pink line. If we go past it, this will be 17 or 20, sub $20. Yeah, the point is we could be going back into sub $20. 60 to 20, that's quite a big fall actually. So that is why it's important to secure your profits. Don't worry about it. There will always be opportunities in the markets, and yeah, this is how you do it. This is how you do it, boys and girls.